Oh wow, this is nice. This is a very traditional style Ryokan, and this is my view. It's facing the lake of Kawaguchiko, and this is the typical living room of a Ryokan. Everything here is so traditional. Bedroom. And here's the bedroom. It's beautiful. Very traditional. This is a closet. Very traditional Japanese closet. Wow. This is so traditional. Even the safe is so nostalgic. It's a safe. It's a phone here. It's so nostalgic. And then there's a power point here. And also there's another power point here. There's coffee maker here. Really, there's a coffee maker. There's coffee. 3 bottles of drinks a day. The flask. Fridge. Fridge. And then there are tea bags. Ice bucket. Cups, glasses, it's the toilet, nostalgic bidet control over here, shower area, there's the sink. The hair dryer, amenity box, toothbrush, cotton wool, shower cap. It's the sink. It's a private bath area. It's just a normal bath, hot water bath. It's not natural hot spring water. And then the bath area, and it overlook. Wow, it's so cold. It overlook the lake. That's my view. There's an onsen basket. You can use this for onsen. Hangers, towels, yukata, a belt. This is the overall look of the closet. Very traditional. It's the cocktail time from 5 to 7. Chicken karaage. It's nice. The platter. It's nice. I want this. Thank you. Cheese platters, mushroom, pastas, meat, wine section, for the hair. It's a sweet section. It's a drink section. Coffee. The reception area. These are their selection. Coffee, hot water, tea. Oh, that's it. And it's only available at this timing except for 12 to 2 p.m. and 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. is unavailable. This is the Ofuro, it's the onsen area. Ice machine room where you have a microwave and then you have an ice machine where you can get your ice here and a sink. The laundry room where you can do your laundry over here. So, free Wi-Fi area. There's a smoking room here. Inside you can smoke. In the room you can't smoke. This is the view from our room. It overlooks the Kawaguchiko Lake. So pretty. Nice view from our room. Kawaguchiko Lake. A private bathroom. A private bath here. This is not onsen. This is just bathtub with hot water. It's really cool here.